if your page has 50 images and a user only scrolls halfway down. Why did you load all 50? That's exactly the problem lazy loading solves. The simplest way to lazy load an image in HTML is a single attribute, loading equals lazy. You add it directly to your image tag. That's it. The browser will not fetch that image until the user scrolls close to where the image lives on the page. Before this attribute existed, you needed JavaScript to do this. Now it's pure HTML. It works the same way on iframe elements too, so you can defer embedded maps or videos with the same attribute. So what actually happens under the hood? When the page loads, images below the fold, meaning outside the visible viewport, are skipped. The browser keeps track of scroll position, and when an image enters the viewport threshold, it fires the network request and loads the image. This is natively supported in all modern browsers, including Chrome, Firefox, Edge, and Safari, so you don't need a polyfill for the vast majority of users today. There's one critical best practice you cannot skip. Always set explicit width and height attributes on your images when using lazy loading. Without them, the browser doesn't know how tall the image will be before it loads, so the page layout jumps when the image finally appears. This is called layout shift, and it tanks your core web vital score. With width and height set, the browser reserves the right amount of space up front. For scenarios where you need more control, like custom thresholds, animations on reveal, or supporting older browsers, the Intersection Observer API is your tool. It's a JavaScript API that fires a callback when an element enters or exits the viewport. Libraries like lazy sizes also wrap this pattern with extra features. The native loading attribute handles 80% of use cases. Reach for Intersection Observer when you need precision. Use loading equals lazy for instant wins, set width and height to prevent layout shift, and reach for Intersection Observer when you need custom control. Drop a comment if you want a deep dive on Intersection Observer next. Ready to practice for your next interview? Interview Mentor lets you answer real questions just like this one. After each answer, you get a detailed grade and personalized tips to improve. Watch your scores climb as you keep practicing.